What's going on, guys, and welcome to Pete717. I'm starting this video a little different today. I decided to prep my Subaru up for Saturday and Sunday. I decided to check on oil. A couple of times I came home and the car smelled like antifreeze. Start looking around and I noticed that well, you guys not gonna see it. Anyway, the coolant returned from turbo back to the block. I don't know what I was thinking. I just put like a finger clamp kind of thing, you know, a little like a C-clamp that you finger tied it. So I had to replace that. While I was replacing, it dripped some antifreeze, so I had to refill that. Checking oil right now. Good old Rotella T6 5x40. And so prepping the car up, getting everything ready. Tomorrow's Saturday, beautiful day. I'm not gonna miss out before the winter starts, before the snow and ice. I'm not gonna miss out. I'm gonna take the car tomorrow. Don't change the channel. A lot of fun stuff happening. I need to top off a little bit more oil, and we're good to go. So. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. What is this? Oil? Clean up in the aisle 3. Alright. Because it's steaming in there enough. To suggest that that's just the old spill drying out. I mean, I don't see anything under the car dripping. Yeah, we're good. We're good. All right. Clean up. Good. And I'll give her a minute or two, and we're ready to go. Look at this cold start rumble. E85 cold start rumble. Love it. Love it. So guys, what's going on today? We're going to go for a drive. It's Sunday. Beautiful day today. It was raining all day yesterday. Super cold. Today's better day. Birthday, so I'm just gonna go to his house, stop by. We're gonna go hang out, maybe eat some pho. I'll take him for a drive, give him my first impression of this car. He's never been in this car yet. Hasn't been in this car yet. So that's the plan. Look at this beautiful, beautiful sight. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Love it, love it. Came out clean. So.
Look at this thing, I keep forgetting. You know, it sounds like a monster. Okay, that's good, bro. Damn, bro. Sorry. It looks like a little dog, bro, you know what I mean? That's what I mean. Oh my goodness, dude. Yeah, wow, bro. I think this is faster than your Taurus. Yo, aren't this balls? Dude, that's a good feeling, yo. I think these G-forces like crazy. Wow, dang, bro. How's the neck? You feeling it, yeah. Right? Dude, how do you hold on to the steering wheel, dude?
I'm just holding on to it. like or hate sheets. We need to fill up with our good old E85. Come on. That car a little dirty today. Probably gonna have to give it a wash. Good times we had with V, hanging out, had fun. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.